I don't even mind, but I tried cheap stuff in Cape Town. It didn't work out nice for me. And then I was trying to target quality. Yeah, chinja ndiri kukudza ndachitenga kana 20 iwe unokwesa kwachinowanika paundi kana dola but ndezvako iwe ini ndiri kukudza paprice ndakatengesa zvinhu izvozvo maize chinoita kuti nega yako itenge $25 mugawo chii asi wakaenda kuCape Town itenga 3000 rands zvibvunze. Okay, so this headboard I bought it. Hey yo, what up YouTube? What's good YouTube? This is your boy Players_Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I guess finally I'm posting the long-awaited video. And guys, a lot of you guys have been asking, Praise, how much do you spend on your property? How much do you spend for you kuti utange kunzwa kunogara wega? So you guys, this is just an advice to all those young people that wishes or vanoshuvira kuzenge vachigara vega. Amana, don't be pressurized by us to check tanga. Musaitoti isusu atukupay pressure. Guys, staying alone is not easy. I don't wanna lie. If I tell you sometimes you can sleep usina kudya, you won't believe it. Like unoona kuti urarira nyaya utomwa mvura utorara zvotovharana. So kana wafunga kuti nangu ndakura ndafunga zvekunogara ndega, now I want to go and buy my property and stuff. Guys, advice to those young people who move out from their parents' place, if your parents are still alive and there's no hurry, they're not even asking you about it. When are you moving out? As good as relax, don't move out, don't even think about moving out. Yes, you have to think about moving out, you have to work on your plans, you have to plan my goals and stuff also move out. But the advice and the plan as long as wasati watanga kuvunza kuti iwo move out rini, especially ku boys wambofunga kuti aseyo ndoona kuti kugirls ona kuzwisisika because zvenjinzi mwana musikana and we can't rush achawana munhu achamuroora stuff. But ku boys kunyanya, even though kune ma-independent girls, kana usati watanga kuvunzwa, please take your time to arrange, take your time to plan, take your time to do whatever you can do, man, so that when you move out, you'll be in position, will be arranged. I'm talking about my jobs. I'm talking about source of income. Make sure kuti une mari yakati batane, you can afford to buy muriwo, you can afford to buy magetsi, mvura, rent and stuff, So you guys, in this video, I'm gonna be inspiring youths also, and I'm gonna be telling you kuti ndakatenga zvinhu zvangu mari chinu by chinu, one by one, chimenengura, even in beta, even chichirimba mangu, everything chine price since manga muri ground mandakapinda makadaro. So guys, if it's your first time, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand? If you're in diaspora, I know a lot of you guys wanna compare my prices. What if I bought in South Africa? Do you think there's quality in Zimbabwe? There is quality in Zimbabwe, and people they are buying quality in Zimbabwe, and there is quality furniture in Zimbabwe. And there is also difference of kwatengera furniture. Kana tengo furniture from town kunana Muhammad Musa kune mashops aribo sena ngatenga this other shop yatengesa furniture. The furniture was super nice, the furniture was so good. If you buy kunana Bruno furnitures, if you buy kunana Nash, ingachana they are just expensive for no reason. But if you buy kunana area 8 kune furniture iribo, ndezongodipenda nekwatenga, you understand? Watengwe kwana mhofu inongoitwa zvikwa mhofu kwangotengo chaicho inongoitwa chazvezo, you understand? So guys, I want to take you inside my house and show you everything kuti ndakachitenga mari. Even guys, what I think is if you want to start life as a bachelor or as a young girl or as a young man or whatever, the budget that you should have for you or for everything to be normal or for everything to be like in position, I think you need from $750 to $1,000 for you. If you want to fulfill your house like mine or my room like mine, you need a little budget of from 750 to 1000. Ndokuti zvinhu zvako nyatsoringana kuti iri bachura nyama, ibachura rakarongeka, ratanga zvinhu zvaro pa position, ratanga zvinhu zvaro zvakarongeka. So my rents in Zimbabwe, it just depends. They vary from maybe $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90 magate. And then if you want to live to expensive fancy places, do my $120, $150, $200, $300. Zvingo depend on kuti ukudogara panhu pakaita sei pane pane shared bathroom here, pane chi. This video is also for people who are in diaspora. This video is also for people who are planning to move out and to do their life without parents. So you guys, make sure you listen to this video carefully, you watch to the end, you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me go and take you into my 4-star apartment, soon to be 5, when I move out. Okay, yeah. So you guys, please don't mind the darkness, because there's no electricity. Like, currently there's no electricity, but so long I can use my ring light to show you guys. Please mind that everything that is in here chakatengo, so I'm gonna give you the price for everything, because you're gonna need it. So yeah guys, let's start the thing. Okay, let's start with this mat. The only cool mat that I use when wiping my legs kundende pa this expensive bed is I bought this one for Pondo, $2. I want you guys to grab your calculators and start calculating. Even me, I don't know the price. And then this shoe I'm visa and this visa. I bought it for $15. And then this washing basket was costing only $5. And then the dishes, don't mind my dirty dish. And then the dishes, everything, the set, which was costing for $30. And then the cups, the bowl, and the plates, they were costing around $20. The gas tank, I bought it for $15, and the buckets and stuff, let me just include it there. And then this pushing tray manje, I bought it in area 8, and it was costing only $50. This one, as you can see, there's a drawer whereby you can open and put your cutlery, your plates and stuff there. And then the grocery for a bachelor, let me start by putting it on a young budget of $50, depending on how you eat or how you chow food. You understand? Okay, so yeah, this cover, I bought it for $3. This kitchen wallpaper, as you can see, to avoid the ingredients from being dirty. And then guys, let's come here to the curtains. The curtain, I bought it for, it was $15. I was supposed to get 2 of them so that but I just thought like it's not necessary, just one is kinda cool. And then this kitchen rod, as you can see, it was costing also $15. And then yeah, 15 for kittens and stuff, $30. And those blue lights that you can see there, those lights that are making my room look so cozy. Maybe if I turn off the light, you see how coziness it is. I bought them. They came from someone special who is in Poland. As you can see, the room is looking cozy and stuff. You understand? They came from Poland. Same as this YouTube thing. You understand? And like the iron, I bought it in Cape Town. So okay, let's come to this one. So this one, man, guys, I dropped something. Okay, let me pick it up. Fuck. Alright. Okay guys, so this thing now, dopa kutangira kutema my prices. Dopa bandru guys, I go for quality, I don't go for cheap. Not good, I don't even mind, but I tried cheap stuff in Cape Town and it didn't work out nice for me. And then I was trying to target quality. Yeah, chinja ndiri kuzoti ndachitenga kana 20 ione unokwesa kwachinowanika paundi kana dola bande zvako iwo ini ndiri kukudza paprice ndakatengesa zvinhu izvozvo maize chinoitotiwo nega yako itenge $25 mugawo fuchi asi wakaenda ku Cape Town itenga 3000 rands zvibvunze. Okay, so this headboard I bought it for $150 in this other shop in CBD, and then they got it delivered here. But then if you watch the video you can see when they deliver was in Europa but then. And then those pillows, the continentals and the normal pillows, those ones they're costing $3 each, and then the continentals were costing $5 each. So the two I bought them for $6. Okay, this one, man, this nice cozy, as you can see, it's nice fluffy thing. I bought it for $14. This thing that you can see right there. And then Mukati, there's winter sheets. I bought them for $15. My winter sheets. Okay. my pillowcase and stuff. They are inside here, as you can see. Oh, there's a blanket inside. This one, I bought it for $30. It's like a 2-in-1, a very nice quality. 20 15, but as I told you, I'm going for quality. Okay, that's the sheets. Winter sheets are shown, the white color, the only cleanest Bachelor that you have never seen in your whole life. Okay, so now we come into the main part of the biggest property in my house, the bed. Okay, kwangu nema waya, nema 90, nema chi, but sorry zvenyu. I went for the one yanachifila kuti inoita ubashura wangu nawo wese wakasimba enough for me. So this one I bought it for only $250. $250 US, which is something like 5,000 rands. It's nothing. Wanatanaka wakutorara yema 30,000 uko. It's nothing. 5,000 rands only. This one, $250. And then this glass sheets here, I bought it for $20 only. This glass stove, as you can see. Tell me down in the comment section, guys. Oh, there's rent also there. There's rent also there. And let me not tell you, just forget about it. So yeah, guys, that's the price that I bought my stuff for me to start my life. Okay, guys, so now please tell me down in the comment section if it's worth it for you to move out of your parents' house, and if the things are affordable. I know these things are affordable for you guys, but to me they were like very expensive, because there are things that I didn't even know couldn't afford them. You understand? So if you are if you are staying with the parents, just stay where you're staying, man. Don't be pressurized with vanhu vari kuita zvinhu zvavo. At the end of the day, you end up rent, you end up selling zvinhu zvavatengesa izvozvo, you end up doing. But guys, besides that, there's also cheap stuff that you can get. You can get all the things and I'll mention them with my half amounts. I can plug you kunana area A to go kunana, you understand? Besides that, I was trying to get a better quality from. It's not the best, it's better from the one that I used to have in Cape Town. So yeah, guys, that's the price that I bought my stuff. I bet, guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. I really hate this noise from the kids. I bet, guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So tell me down in the comment section if you're gonna move out anytime soon from my parents' house, or are you gonna wait for the right time for you to move out. Guys, they say if you rush you crash, and for you, if you rush you crash. Remember, there's rent, there's grocery, there's also doing investment, budgeting, savings and stuff. So don't be pressurized with rich kids. Pressure. I'm not a rich kid, I'm so poor, but don't be pressurized with ghettos that are trying to make it out, or that are trying to make the ends meet. Is it the correct English? So guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. If you want more of this content, tell me down in the comment section for more and more content. And I'll keep on dropping, and I'll keep on giving you for real. Road to 10,000, guys. Musasha msigeni kuti asikudropa. There's something is going on. My YouTube is stripping, and it's just dropping my number automatically. There's technical error. I don't know what's happening. That was figured about 10,000. It's me, and either tango discouraged, but I ain't gonna be discouraged with YouTube. We're not gonna be stopping. Road to 10,000 miles are coming soon. I'm hosting a part for you guys. Hit me up. If you want to pull up, because we're going to do smash or pass, we want to do pop the balloon, we want to do all the activities that we're going to do for the content, you understand? So don't forget, guys, I'm giving out the courses. I told you all, guys, stop DMing me if you want courses for free. I'm not saying this in a very offensive or bad manner, but I'm telling you this, Kuti. I buy data to upload this thing, and you know, time is money. This is my work. You have to respect my hustle. So tell a girl, you're beautiful, and you want me to help you. There's nothing such as Opo. You are coming to my business, so I have to charge you the amount that I charge people. There's proof. There's proof that I can do this. Look at the channel that I was managing. Now it's almost 500 subscribers. I get to only, I think, 3 days ago. But I got manage this channel. Please go and check it out. We are going to subscribe to that YouTube channel. Those who want cruise ship jobs, I'm gonna be showing you how you apply, and I'm gonna tell you also with this net because Muskana is gonna post. So yeah, I told you to post the video. I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. And stop asking. I got you guys. As long as you are my fans, go and follow this channel. and I'm gonna put a link in which say munotambira zvuru zvemadollars kumaships inangu I wanna be a content creator. So mkazo go in the circle and stuff, you understand. This is I'm a focused youth to focus on one mango one. So guys, that's proof the channel I took it to 50 subscribers and then now it's hitting over 500. I just got 500 subscribers and yeah, so I just got my 5,000 views. You told that my views on the channel because I know how to do this. I know how to master this. I'm your destiny helper. Hit me up at the course if you want me to be posting for you, managing you, creating. No, you'll just be creating content. I'll be editing and posting for you. It's only $50 now. It's too special. And if you want a 1 week course, what is called beginner, how to edit, how to do whatever you can do for content, and just 25 for weekly. So I bet guys, thank you for watching to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Signing out.